court has before it at this time a matter captioned the State of Iowa versus Jaron Purham, case number FECR 007403. Mr. Purham is currently charged by way of county attorney's trial information with murder in the first degree. Trial at this time is set for February 20, 2018. And today the court is holding a pretrial conference that was continued from Monday, as well as a hearing on the defendant's motion for change of venue that was filed on February 1. Those appearing in court include the defendant, Mr. Purham, with his attorneys Alan Cook and Nicole Jensen. The state is represented by County Attorney Amy Beavers. First of all, counsel, I think from communications I've had with counsel before today, everyone agrees that this matter should be continued for trial. Is that correct, Ms. Beavers?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Cook?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Cook, anything else you want to say in support of your motion for change of venue?
Just, Your Honor, as the court's aware, and I believe as the court just indicated, both parties agree that Des Moines County is not the appropriate venue considering the pretrial publicity that has already existed in the co-defendant's case and in my client's case leading up to today. The challenge that I think both sides have had is trying to find an alternative venue that is demographically consistent with Des Moines County, and as the court's aware, that is also a challenge. In considering the issue, the defense has looked at filings and rulings from the court in the co-defendant's case. We certainly don't want to be pigeonholed into a stipulation in which we would not be able to challenge the composition of the jury panel, as we don't know what the composition of that panel is at this point. I'm not at all indicating that I plan to have that challenge. I just don't want to, again, put myself in the position where I'm precluded from making that challenge. And so really the defense's bottom line is we just can't have it here in Des Moines County.
And what's the state's response to the motion for change of venue?
Thank you, Your Honor. The state certainly understands that the previous trial was moved outside Des Moines County and was tried down in South Lee County. The state has no objection at this time to changing venue in this matter.
Well, as the parties are aware, and Mr. Purham I'm sure is aware too, I presided over the trial of his co-defendant, Mr. Sanders Galvez, and that case did engender a significant amount of publicity pre-trial and during the course of the trial, and I believe it would be prudent for this matter to be changed from Des Moines County, Lee County also, because of the previous case being tried there. I have consulted with the case coordinator about the availability of courtroom space for a 2-week trial elsewhere in our judicial district. I have actually also visited with judges in other counties to try to get a feel for whether there was any carryover of media coverage from our case that we tried on Mr. Sanders Galvez in other counties in the district. One county case, but the trial will be held in Washington County commencing on Tuesday, September 25.